We're gonna pick our winners and losers for the best ads we've seen to date. First category is the Cheesy But Cute Award. Catherine O'Hara and Kevin Hart can almost do no wrong in my book. Their ad for Chase, where she loses Kevin, Hart this time, in a store was almost awesome, but a little too heavy on the credit card. Love this cast, love this idea, but why not go bigger? Make a 2-minute movie about Catherine and Kevin lost in a shopping mall. I think Chase might have gotten more nostalgia and attention out of a little bit more story and a little bit less on the cashback branding. Tearjerker Award goes to Mickey D's in the UK. McDonald's shows a girl and her imaginary friend Iggy growing up together. She eventually becomes less interested, grows up, moves on, and stuffs him into her closet. Years later, she's reminded of Iggy at a McDonald's, and she goes home and pulls him from the closet to see his big smiley face, which was the exact moment my big smiley face reached for a tissue. Nice work, McDonald's. The Bandwagon Award goes to Dove. Usually, Dove nails it with their ads, but this one for me misses the mark. The ad features moms being cringe on TikTok, making their daughters sweat. Okay, want to make a TikTok ad? Make a cool TikTok ad. Otherwise, it seems like you're making an awkward bid for relevancy, signaling that you're cool, but not that cool. And finally, in the What the Hell Did I Just Watch Award goes to John Lewis's 2021 Christmas spot featuring a little boy that falls in love with an alien. Yes, you heard it, an alien. Not only does it take you an hour to watch, okay, it's actually 2 minutes, but it doesn't actually become clear that it's an ad for a retailer until about 1 minute and 30 seconds in. I don't know what feeling they're trying to evoke, but I did not feel it. Am I being too American about this? Am I missing something here? These are just a few of the early releases. We'll continue to bring you more on the good, the bad, and the ugly as the holiday season continues. Thanks so much for joining. Like and subscribe for more.